tools, you want to know about the different tools you have it, which company are using which kind of tools. Okay, so product, we have Angus Knowledge Web Miner, so you can use this one. And Click Tracks, you can use this one. Even the Google, they have, if you want to analyze your website, that how many people are visiting, how are the statistics, so you can give website of your Google Analytics. And I think I give you one assignment, I think no one did that one for Google Analytics, to test one of the website for that one, but I did not get any response from you. So so maybe I make this as a compulsory assignment for you, so that you can work on that one. That is about the web mining tools. Live statistics from DMatrix. You have a Megaputer and Web Analytics. We have it. MicroStrategies, SAS. We have as well, and XML Miner. So these are the different web mining tools we have it. Okay. So this is the end of this chapter. So it was like a short chapter, and I hope you learn more about that one. Okay. So now I will have the attendance, and with attendance you have to tell me what you learn in this in this chapter over there. Okay, so share your experiences, and meanwhile I will take attendance and you will share the experiences, your learning points in this chapter. So what is for the next class, what will be our strategy? I will share the chapter number 6 to you. You can listen at home, okay? And on day after tomorrow, I think Wednesday, yeah. No, sorry, on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. On Tuesday, we will discuss chapter number 6 and the case study for chapter number 5. Okay, so these two tasks will be done on day after tomorrow. And we need to make the deadline for the projects little bit earlier, because since we have final exam is approaching nearby. So is it possible to have the presentation before the final term exam? When is your exam, by the way?
It's supposed to be on the 16th of July.
16th of July, okay. So Sunday, can we have the project presentation on Sunday on 12th? Is it okay?
Can you make it 14?
14 we have class on 14. Yeah, so 14 we have class. Okay, let it be 14. Okay, 16 we have final exam, so we have to do before the final exam. Okay, so let it be on 14th. Okay, yeah, because 15 you don't have a class on 15, right? So in 14 we will have the final project presentations and assigning of the marks for the final project as well, right? Okay, and try to complete the pending assignments and the case studies. Okay, case studies for chapter number 5. Okay, as well as we will have discussion on that one on coming class, and we will have discussion on chapter number 6. Okay, so I will send you the recordings of chapter number 6. Please listen at home before the class. Okay, and when you come to the class, we will just discuss that chapter, right? Okay, Arij, what you learned today?
Yes, the meaning of the text meaning, also the text meaning process, the 3 steps.
Okay, right, very good. Yeah, Batul, what you learned today?
I learned about the natural language processing, the NLP, and as well what is web mining and how we can process the natural language.
Okay, right. Sarah, Shebani? Absent? Okay. Sharifa?
Yes, text mining concepts and text mining applications.
Okay. That's it? Okay. Kaifa Shahri? Absent?
Yes, doctor.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
What you learned today?
I learned about the web mining and its types.
Right. Would you like to give some further details?
Okay, there are different types of web mining. The first one is web content mining, and the second one is web structure. The third one is web usage mining.
Right. Thank you. Lujane.
Yes, doctor. I learned about the text mining application like marketing application, security application, medicine application, and academic application.
Excellent. Well done, Lujane. Okay. Latifa. Absent. Lulwa.
Yes, I learned about text mining application area. For example, information extraction, topic tracking, and the text mining terminology. It has the unstructured or semi-structured data.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Layla.
Yes, doctor. I learned
Yeah,
about the nature of data mine that
Mhm.
might be structured like database and might be unstructured like the documents and PDF files.
Very good. Excellent. Nuran.
I learned about the natural language processing and how is it an important component of the data mining, and how related it is to the artificial intelligence.
Right. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. If you have any question or any suggestion, so you're most welcome. Okay. How do you want to replace the because the final terms is reduced to 30 marks, so 10 marks? How you want to utilize this 10 marks? You want me to give some extra quiz, or you want me to give you assignment or some activity or some like presentation, or you want some like uploading a video on the YouTube, or what kind of assignment you like me to give you?
What about to double one of the quizzes that we've took? Like, for example,
This is very unfair, Miss XYZ. This is very unfair. Okay, you have, because earning, Batul, you need to earn the marks, not like taking just like a free. Everything is not a
But
free.
doctor, we don't have time. We
Yeah.
have the assignment and the project and other finals for other subjects.
Yes,
We
this also.
don't
So,
have time.
okay, I will give you some like easy assignment, okay? Or if you want another quiz, that's fine. I can increase it.
No,
No?
doctor, we don't need.
Okay, last time I gave very easy, like for example, 10 marks assignment that you need to make a video for a screenshot, screen PPT video, and upload on a YouTube 5 minutes video about any good topic, latest topics selected from chapter number 7. Okay, so just like go to the chapter number 7, choose any topic, okay, from that one, and make a 5.
Doctor, we want an extra quiz.
Yeah, quiz, please, doctor.
Quiz. Okay, right. So, what about like assignment?
No, we don't need it.
Quiz is better, doctor. All of us agree.
Actually, quiz is difficult for me. To make a quiz, it takes me like 2 or 3 hours to make quiz and all the settings. Okay, so I'm not in the field of quiz. Yeah. So either you need to choose some assignment or some like activities, or like that would be more preferable.